Alright guys, today we're going to be changing my mom's brakes using the mechanic in the box.
Who are you?
I am the mechanic in the box. Today we're going to be changing the brakes and the rotors on my mom's car.
Where's the brake?
These are the brake pad and that's the motor.
Not the motor, the rotor.
The rotor.
What is it?
The rotor.
Okay.
Now we're going to jack up my mom's car. For safety, we're going to put the jack stand. Okay, let's jack it up now.
Liam, what you doing? Jacking up the car.
She's jacking up the car.
Alright, we're going to lift it until the tire comes off the wheel. Alright? Until the tire comes off the ground. Alright, we're good.
Now we're going to take off the wheel. Now we're going to remove the lug nuts. Oh, my turn. Oh,
That's right. No, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now, take off the socket. There you go. Good job. What are you guys doing now?
Now we're taking off the tire.
Make sure it doesn't fall on your foot. The thing is heavy.
Drop it. Leave it. Drop it.
Drop it. Like, all right.
Now we're going to remove the brake caliper.
Where's that at? What's that called?
The brakes caliper.
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 Okay.
Okay, now we're going to remove this whole thing so that we don't break the brake line. And then since we're going to take the brake line off.
What bolt is holding the brake line on? Let me see. Good.
Make sure you put a cup under the leaking fluid while taking off the brake line.
Show me how you take off the brake line.
Now we're gonna use these safety wires to take the brakes wire off from away.
You want to tie the brake line away from the brake job, right?
We're gonna be taking off the brakes by removing these two big bolts. There's one up here and one down here. Now that we have took off the caliper, we're gonna replace these two brake pads on the
And what else are we going to do today?
caliper. And we're also gonna remove the rotor. Okay,
Awesome.
everybody, and since now we have our brake pad on, make sure that there's no fluid leaking in these. And now we're also going to take off the rotor.
Awesome.
Alright guys, and since we have our new rotor in, now let's install the brake caliper. Okay, now since we have our brake caliper in, Now it's time to tighten the two bolts. Now we're going to move the brake caliper on the passenger side.
Where is it? Show me.
Right here.
Do it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Now you're going to move the bubble cap from the beater line.
Where is it? Show me how you take it off. Okay, take it off. Okay. Okay, what are you doing now, Liam?
I am...
You're gonna take the brake pads out of the caliper. Go ahead, take it out. And pull that one out. Pull that one out.
Oh, this one?
Pull it out. Pull out the one you just removed.
This one?
No, the one you just removed. Liam, the one that you just pushed out. This one. Pull this one out. Take it out. Take it out of there. You gotta take from there. Okay, now the other one. There you go, you got it.
How come I didn't do that part?
Because now we're having it suspended. All right.
Notice how am I suspending the brake caliper with the cable. Now we're taking all of the brake fluid using a C-clamp by tightening the pistons. I'll get all the brake fluid out.
Good, go ahead. Tighten it.
Okay, everybody, I just put in the new brake pads.
Where are they?
Right here.
Awesome.
Now we're placing the motor.
How do you take it off?
Let's just start the new motor.
Go ahead. Push it in. Wiggle it. Wiggle it in. Wiggle it in. There you go. Give me a thumbs up.
Now we're tying the bolts. Now hold on the brake caliper.
Do it.
There are two bolts. One on top and one on the bottom. Now release the brake to 10 meter with a 10 meter wrench.
Where's it gonna go?
Right here. Now that we've blocked the brake, it's time to put the tire back on.
Go ahead. You can't put the tires back on with boxing gloves on.
Oh, that's to put it up. Today we're changing my mom's cars with the mechanic box.
This is. Where's the mechanic in the box? All right. Who are you?
I don't want to do this part. I'm the man.
Okay, you're supposed to say I'm the mechanic in the box. Who are you?